See there, development of pre-number concept, you have to give the markings with number 26. It starts with concept of size. That is 26 number. Concept of weight is 27. Concept of quantity 28. Concept of thickness 29. Concept of position and time, that is 30. Concept of length 31. Concept of height 32. Concept of distance 33. Concept of width 34. And concept of temperature, that is 35. So here it goes with 35 activities. यहाँ तक 35 activities होती है, ठीक है? Now I will show you all these activities. मैं आपको सभी activities करके दिखाऊंगी पहले. I will show you all. And I want you all, because in one activity I may give you many examples. Okay, you have to select any one of it and you can do. Okay, any doubts? Anybody, any doubts? No? Clear? Fine. So let's start first with concept of size. In your sheet, it would be written concept of size, okay? And you have to perform related to that. Okay, I'll show you this. Good morning, children. Yes, all my butterflies looking beautiful today. Monday morning. Yes, very good. So, all fresh on Monday blues? No, right? All fresh? Very nice. So, children, today we are going on ground and we are going to play, okay? So, as it is Monday, let's go down on the ground. Yes, what do I want? I want you all to, yes, put your hand behind and follow the teacher. Let's go down on the ground. Yes, now here I want girls to form a circle over this side and boys to form the circle this side. Very good. Yes. So now, your boys, see, look here. What do I have? Yes, I have a ball. Can you see this ball? Yes, it's a big ball. It's a big ball. Come on, boys, play with this ball. Now, here I have another ball. This ball is small. This ball is small. Now, I'm going to give this ball to girls. Come on, girls, play with this ball. Very good. Yes. So, did you all enjoy playing? Very good. Now, I want boys and girls together. Form a big circle. Come on, form a big circle. Yes. Very good. I got such a big circle. Yes. Earlier it was? Yes, it was small. Okay. Now it is big. We all are together, right? So this is a big circle. Very good. And we shall play with the big ball. Yes. Come on. I'm going to throw this ball. Very good. So, now children, after playing, what we are supposed to do? We need to wash our hands. Yes. Now, let's go back to the class. Very good. Very nice. Now, children, all settled? Very good. Now, tell me, yes, we were playing down, right? With the ball? Very good. So, when we were playing, yes, boys had big or a small ball? Boys, you all played with big ball and girls played with a small ball And then later on, when we were together, yes, with the big ball. Okay, the size of the ball was big. The size of the ball was big. Here I have, see here, what do I have? Here I have a big ball. Yes. And here I have a small ball. Yes. So, now children, what do I want? I want you all, let's play a game. Okay? Are you all ready? Yes? Girls ready? Let's play. I'm going to see you all. Okay. Here, big. Show me the action. This way, big. Come on, everyone. Show me the action. Do this action. Yes, I want you all to do. Come on. Big. Yes. Small. Small. Close. Bring it close. Very good. Big. Small. Okay. Now you will be. Yes, I want you all to concentrate what teacher is saying. Yes, children. Okay. I may say big, but I may show you small. You have to concentrate what teacher is saying. Come on, big. Small. Small. Big. Big. Small. Big. Small. Big. Small. 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 Oh, very good. Good. Big. Big. Small. Big. Small. Big. Small. Big. Small. Big. Small. Afreen, do. Big. Small. Small. Okay, so you all win. Come on, clap for yourself. You all did very nicely. Very good. So, did you all enjoy this game? Yes, what we learned? The concept of big and small. Correct? Yes, children? Okay. So, what we learned about big and small, the size big and small. Now look here, children, what am I going to show you all? Yes, we have already learned about animals. Yes, here I have a chart. Can you see here on this board? There is a chart. Yes, and there are some animals. Can you tell me which animal is big over here? Come on, come on. Yes, who will tell?
Elephant.
Elephant.
Correct, Andrea. Yes, elephant is big. Very good. Then yes, can you tell me?
Giraffe.
No, giraffe is tall. Now, can you tell me
Hippopotamus.
an animal which is small?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay, can you tell me?
Cat.
Mouse.
Mouse.
Yes, rat is small. Elephant is big. Very good. Here I have vegetable. Which vegetable is this?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin is big. And which vegetable?
Tomato.
Tomato.
Right? Yes. So, yes, children, what we learned today, the concept of big and small. big and
small.
small. Here, children, I gave you all many examples. One, the activity which we went down on the ground. One, we did in the class, playing a game, big and small, revising about the animals. Okay, you can even go with a worksheet here. Okay, now look here. Can you tell me which ball is big?
First ball is big.
So we will write B, and
Second one is small. S.
okay, I'm going to give you all a worksheet and you are going to do this. Clear? Right? Fine? Clear, everyone? So this is how you can go for a concept of big and small. Now the next one is concept of weight.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, now I want your Tejal and Chitra. Okay, let's call first Tejal over here. Okay, Tejal. Now I'm going to see here. What do I have here? I have two buckets. Okay. Yes, the first bucket is filled with water. Now pick it up. Come on, Tejal, pick it up. You can't. Why? Oh, it's heavy.
Sorry.
Okay. Now pick up another bucket. Come on, pick it up another bucket. Oh, you can easily pick it up. Wow. How come? Okay, there is nothing inside. Correct. The first bucket was heavy because it was filled with water. And the second bucket, there was nothing inside. So it was light in weight. How it was? Light in weight. Here, this bucket is heavy in weight. Now, everyone, I want you all, see on the desk, there is a book. Yes, you have a book on your desk. Pick it up. Pick it up. Put it on your hand. Yes, it is. Okay. Now, with another hand, pick up your bag. Come on, pick it up. Pick up your bag. Okay. Now tell me, bag is heavy or book is heavy?
Bag.
Bag is
heavy.
heavy and your book is light in weight. Bag is heavy in weight. Book is light in weight. Cleared? So what we have learned? The concept of weight. Heavy and light. Yes? Okay. Now, one more thing I would ask you children, when you come in the morning, right? Your mama gives you tiffin? Yes? Okay. So, your tiffin box is heavy and after the recess, tell me, after the recess, it's light in weight. Yes. And your tummy is heavy, right? Yes. Okay. So, did you all understood the concept of heavy and light? Now, I'm going to give you a worksheet, and in this worksheet, yes, you have to tell me, this is a stone, okay? And Okay. Here I have a feather and here I have a stone. Tell me which one is heavy?
Feather. Stone is heavy.
Stone is heavy. So we will write H and
Feather is light.
Feather
L.
is light.
we'll write L. Okay. Yes. So you all can do this worksheet. Very good. Understood the concept of heavy and light?
Yes,
Yes?
miss.
Okay. Now, let's talk about more and less. Now, do you all remember last week we did about the concept of space? More and less, space, crawling under the table where there was a more space, and crawling under the chair there was less space, right? Same thing, you can go with another activity like for more and less, the quantity you can show them. See here, I have 2 bottles, okay? In this bottle, can you see the water? Yes, it is less. But this bottle is, yes, there is more water. Yes, quantity. You can even show them like your, whose birthday is there today? Yes, whose birthday? Rinku's birthday. Okay, so Rinku is going to celebrate her birthday today. Rinku, you are going to give chocolates to everyone? Okay. How many chocolates you are going to give everyone? Oh, yes, she's going to give everyone 2 chocolates. And who is your best friend? Okay, Rupali is your best friend. Okay, so for Rupali, what are you going to give? How many chocolates? 5 chocolates. Oh, she's going to give Rupali 5 chocolates. So, who is going to get more number of chocolates? Yes, Rupali. Rupali is going to get more number of chocolates and you are going to get less number of chocolates. So understood, children, the concept of more and less? Now, I'm going to give you a worksheet, and in this worksheet, what you are going to do, I want you, here in this plate, there are 3 laddus. How many laddus? 3. And here there are many laddus. Now, where there is more, what are you going to do? You are going to circle it. What are you going to do? Circle it. You have a red crayon. Yes, everyone is having a red crayon. So, you will circle it. Okay? Fine? Cleared? Very good. So, understood the concept of more and less? Yes? Okay. Any doubts, children? Concept of more and less? Fine. Now, let's move ahead. The concept of thickness, that is fat and thin. Now, when we talk about fat and thin children, the preschoolers only understand the one who eats more is fat. Are you getting? They only understand the concept of the one who eats more is fat. So here, like for fat and thin, you can go with a, like here I have a chart. And in this chart, can you tell me which animal is fat over here?
Elephant. Elephant.
Yes.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Whose dear. We can't go elephant as a fat elephant.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
Pardon?
Rhinoceros.
Hippopotamus.
Rhinoceros is strong. We can go for hippopotamus.
Hippo.
Is a fat animal. Yes. One more
Yes.
animal which is fat.
Bear.
Bear. Yes. Thin animal.
Goat.
Yes. Thin animal.
Deer.
Will be rabbit.
Deer.
Yes.
Deer.
We can go for a tick. Okay. So you can go with that. You can show them the cartoon characters like Doraemon is fat.
Motu
Yes.
Patlu.
Okay.
Motu Patlu.
Motu
Motu Patlu.
Yes. Motu Patlu and what else? Any other character?
Chota Bheem, you can say.
Bhim and Kalia.
Yes. But who is the fat one in that? Kalia.
Kalia.
Chota Bheem, Kalia is fat and that.
And Bhim is thin.
Chutki is also thin.
Pardon?
Hindumati.
Hindumati. Who's the Hindumati?
Bhim and Kalia.
Okay, Bhim and Kalia. Okay, fine. Earlier we used to show we used to see Lauren and Hardy.
Laurel and
But
Hardy.
yes, nowadays children don't see those cartoons. They go for especially Chota Bheem, right? Doraemon.
Doraemon.
Yes. So you can show them those pictures and you can ask them. Okay. So this goes with the concept of thickness. Okay. Make sure you don't ask in the class who is fat. Huh? In the class you cannot ask who is fat. ये नहीं पूछ सकते, नहीं तो बच्चे उनको चिढ़ाएंगे ए मोटू. Correct? Now, concept of position or a time. So, concept of time we have already done. That is before morning, afternoon, evening, night. So, in that you can say like when you come to school, you say good morning to teacher, and after the class, what do you say? Good afternoon, teacher, right? When the class gets complete, your school gets over, you say, good afternoon, teacher. You can go for with the concept of position, that is before and after. Here, can you see who is sitting? Devashri sitting. And before Devashri, who is sitting? Rashmi. After Devashri, who's there? Hinja, right? So, your before and after, you can go for before and after with the letters. You can go with numbers. Like, for example, here, look here, children on the board. Yes. Now, here, can you tell me for B, which letter is there?
A.
For B, A. Which letter?
A.
A. After B, which letter is there?
C.
C.
Letter C. Very good. So your before B is A and after B is C.
C.
Okay. You can go with numbers also. Which number is this? Number 3.
3.
Number
2 comes.
2.
after number 3, which number comes?
4.
4.
Got it? So before and after, You can go for this also. You can go for letters. You can go for numbers. Okay. Clear? Any doubt? No? Now, concept of length. When we talk about length, children, length goes horizontally. Okay? Length goes horizontally. Now, for example, here, can you see this pencil? Yes? This pencil is long. Okay? And here, can you see this? Chalk. Chalk is short. Long, short. Long and short. Here, okay. Have you all seen a train? Have you all seen a train? Yes. How is it? Long. Okay.
Long.
But have you all seen a bus compared to train? Bus is short.
Short.
Use this word compare to train. Huh? Compared to train, the bus is short. Otherwise, the bus is big enough. Right? Okay? But you will use that word compared to train, the bus is short. Here, I have a picture. Yes. Now, in this picture, this is snake and this one is earthworm. Which one is long?
Snake.
Snake.
Long. Right. And earthworm is short.
Short.
Here,
Yes.
there are two scales. Yes, which one is long scale? Yes, can you tell me?
Second.
The
Second one
below
is long.
Yes, so we'll write L and this one S. Okay,
Yes, miss.
clear? Okay. So understood the concept of long and short? Yes?
Ma'am,
Okay.
Yes.
can I interrupt for a
Now,
minute?
yes?
I just wanted to know in long and short, can we give examples of animals like a tall giraffe, short pig? Can that be also included in as example?
Tall goes in height.
Okay.
Giraffe is tall. It goes vertical.
Okay. Okay. It
Okay.
cannot be
Long goes horizontal.
horizontal. Okay.
Fine. So here when your concept of height comes,
Okay.
tall and short. Here you can take an example of giraffe.
Okay.
Giraffe and short animal.
Pig. Pig. Pig.
Yes, short animal. What can you take?
Pig.
Rabbit.
Pig, dog,
Not.
rabbit, cat,
Hen.
Okay.
Cat.
Yes, cat. Can you give me one more tall animal? Tall animal?
Zebra.
Dinosaur.
No.
camel,
Yes, Camel. Okay. So that is tall. First hand experience which you can give in the class, that is, come on,
Giraffe.
your teacher is standing. I want your to come out, who'll come? Yes, Bhavna. Bhavna, come here. Now Bhavna is standing here, teacher is standing here. Now tell me, who is tall? Teacher is
Teacher.
tall, Bhavna is short.
Short.
Now, I'm going to put a table over here. Yes, Bhavna, stand on this table. Very good. Now I want Krina to come out. Krina, come out. Yes. Now, Bhavna is standing on table, so she became tall. And Krina is standing down, so she is short. Then, right? So you're tall, short. Okay. Here I have a worksheet. Yes. This is a coconut tree. And here I have a flower pot. Can you tell me which one is tall?
Coconut tree is
Coconut
tall.
tree.
Yes. Write T over here. And for pot, we write a
Small.
S. Clear?
Short.
Yes.
Any doubts?
No.
Children, are you all getting? Are you all making a note?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes.
very good. Now the next one is concept of distance, far and near. Okay. Good afternoon, children. Look here. What do I have? Yes. Here I have. Oh wow. What do I have here? I have a puppet. Yes, this is a rabbit. Okay. Now, where is the rabbit? Oh, close to the teacher. Here it is. Okay. And who is sitting there on the last bench there? Yes, Natasha is sitting. Okay. Who is near, close to the teacher? Yes, this rabbit is close to the teacher. Okay. And who is far away? Far sitting there. Yes, Natasha is sitting far. Right? The things and the objects which are near to us. Okay, close to us. We say it is near. And the things which are away from us, it is far. Okay, we say it is far. Okay, so today, come on children, let's go down on the ground. We are going down on the ground and we are going to observe few things. Okay, come on everyone, let's go down on the ground. Yes, now, see there, already there is a mat. Yes, mat is placed for you all. You all have to sit down on this mat. Okay, very good. Very nice. I want you all to observe the sky. Come on, observe the sky. Yes, very good. Very nice. Okay. Oh, you can see aeroplane. Very good. Can you touch the aeroplane? No. Why? Oh, it's far. Okay, fine. Now, look here. Teacher is sitting here. is a tree, right? Yes. Can I touch this tree? Yes, I can touch this tree, right? Yes, because it is near to me, right? Okay, here I will call Rupali. Rupali, come here. Can you touch this tree? Yes, you can touch this tree, right? It is near. But can you touch that aeroplane? No, it is far, right? So the objects and things which are close to us, we say near, and the objects which are away from us, we say it is far. So understood the concept of far and near, children? Yes? Okay. Now, I want you all, come on, let's go up in the class. Very good. Now, I'm going to give you all a worksheet for the revision. Okay. And you have to do this worksheet. Fine? Now, look here. This is a tree. Now, there is J standing near the tree. So, J is near or far?
Near.
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 Right. N and K is
Far.
near or far?
Far.
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 Right. Okay, so are you ready to do this worksheet? Yes, you all are supposed to do this worksheet. That is concept of distance. Clear? Okay. Any doubts, children? No? Very good. Now, let's go for the next concept, that is concept of width. Okay? And that is wide and narrow. Okay, now for wide and narrow, here I will take this activity, like I can go take them to the field trip. Like in the garden, I will make the children, come on, let's walk in the garden. Yes? Okay. We all can walk freely over here. But if I want you all now, let's walk on the footpath. See there, the jogging track is there, right? Let's walk on that. Can we all walk together? No, right? There is narrow space, okay? That you can do. You can take them, make an activity, like on the ground, you will draw the path. I will show you here on the board how you will draw it on the path on the ground. First, make a track. Come on children, let's walk. I and Sanika, we both will walk on this track. Okay? We both can walk together. Yes. Why? Because it is wide. Okay? Now, this track is becoming narrow. How is it becoming? Narrow. Can we both walk together? No. So now only teacher is going to walk. Okay, this is, first it was wide. Now it has become narrow. Now, can teacher walk with both legs? No, I have to balance. Only with my one foot, I can put my one foot, then another one, right? Because it has become more narrow, okay? Here there was more space, now it has become less, okay? It was wide, now it is narrow. So you can make children, junior, senior children do this activity. Even playgroup nursery can walk on this track. You have to draw this track on the ground and make children walk on it. Okay? So they will understand the concept of wide and narrow. Okay? Clear? Any doubts? Yes? Anybody? No? Okay. Now, concept of temperature, hot and cold. Here again we can go with the same activity which we did with last on Saturday, concept of temperature. Okay, it is the same activity we can conduct. Fine? Any doubts? No? Okay. So have you all made the note for all?
खुली आंखें meditation करो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, we did.
Tejal, mute yourself, or you
Yes,
want to say something?
No, ma'am.
Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, this concept of wide and narrow can
Okay.
you explain one more time?
Now, let's see. Some activities to teach pre-number concept are as follows. To teach the concept of big and small to children, make them form a circle by holding their hands. Then say, let us form a small circle. Let them move inward. Then say, let us form a big circle. Children will spread out. Children will enjoy the activity and have first-hand experience of big and small. Clear? Yes? Observation of objects of different dimensions can be encouraged by the teacher during outings and nature walk. For example, tall tree, big house, etc. Dramatization, storytelling, and dramatic free play, example, shop play, and a doll play help in the development of many concepts as children act out real life situations. Particularly the concept like heavy and light, big and small, fat and thin, etc. For children can dramatize how man ate and became fat, still fatter and even fatter. Particularly for concepts like heavy and light, let children handle and experience different objects that are heavy and light. For example, let children pick up a small empty bucket, then fill the bucket with some water, sand, or a pebbles, etc. And let children pick it up again. Explain the concept heavy and light to them. Sand play and water play also help in the development of concepts such as more, less, full, empty, etc. As children with different containers with water, sand, and empty them out. Okay. Now, today I want you all to perform these activities. What we have done. Okay. अभी तक हमने जो किया. Yes, let's do again. Let's revise and then we'll move ahead. Come on. Yes. Concept of size, big and small. Who will do this? Or should I say? Yes, Shanti wants to do. Yes, Shanti. Unmute yourself. I can't hear you. Unmute, unmute. Can't hear you. Okay, who'll do this? Rashmi? Concept of size? Unmute yourself. Start. I cannot hear you.
Miss, shall I?
Yes. Bhavna,
Yes.
start.
Okay. Okay. Concept of size. Good morning, children. All my butterflies. All fresh today. It's Monday. Yes, fresh day. We all will go to ground. And let's go to ground. Come on, children, form a line. And walk slowly, slowly. Come on, children. Boys, form a circle over there. And girls, you also form a circle over there. Can you see this ball? This is a big ball. Yes? Big ball. Come on, children, play. Now, this is a small ball. Come on, girls, catch this and play. Yes? Now, what we learn today? Big ball and a small ball. Come on, children. Now come, go back to your class, form a line and go back to your class. Can you see this chart? Yes. Can you see? A big apple. An apple and an elephant. Size na miss? Apple and elephant.
But how can you say apple is big?
नहीं, वो भूल से गलती से apple big.
Okay.
Elephant is big.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So children, can you see this picture? It is an apple and an elephant.
Okay.
Okay. Then
Bolo barabar hai. Go on.
okay. Can you tell me what is big? An apple or an elephant? So, an elephant is big. Elephant is big in size.
Correct.
So children, what you learned today in class? The concept of size.
Yes, very good. Big and small. So we have learned the concept of big and small.
Small.
Okay, good. Very nice. Very good. चिल्ड्रेन अभी जितनी प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना वाइवास बहुत अच्छे से जाएगा. अभी प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो वाइवास बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगेगा. अभी यहाँ पर क्या है, आप सिर्फ सुन रहे हो, बट एक्चुअली परफॉर्म करना है आपको. यू हैव टू परफॉर्म दिस एंड ड्यूरिंग योर एग्जाम्स यू वुड बी इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स, might be from other batch also, and evaluator जो supervisor होगा वो कुछ भी नहीं बोलेगा. Okay, that time they will not say anything. Here I am there to help you out, correct you. That time there would nobody to correct. Whatever you have done, if you have done wrong also, they will not say anything. Okay, So make sure you all do a practice. Okay? करो जितनी प्रैक्टिस हो सकती है उतनी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. Okay? Fine. Next, we have done with the concept of size. Now concept of weight.
Miss, shall I try?
Who?
Rinku.
Ha, Rinku. Yes, please.
Miss, I'm trying. Huh?
Yes, yes, please do.
Good morning, students. How are you all today? Yes, today is Monday. Seems to be very fresh. Everyone is feeling very fresh. Today, yes, what we are going to learn today? Concept of weight. Yes, everyone has the books on their desk. Yes, show me, show me. Everyone is holding a book. Please pick it up. Yes, this is your book. Now, keep it down on the desk. Yes, now I want everyone to hold their bags. Come on, come on, come on, be fast. Hold your bags. Yes, now keep it down. Now, did you hold the book? Yes, it was light in weight. Whereas compared to the bag was much heavy. Yes. Miss, it is going correct?
Yes, yes, perfect. So conclude.
Okay, so what did we learn from this? That the book is light in weight, whereas the bag is heavy.
So
Fine,
we
ma'am.
learned the concept of weight, heavy and light. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, the concept of quantity. More and less. Come on, Natasha. More and less. Do.
Good morning, children.
Try.
I'll try. Good morning, children. No, I have to say that also, like, how was the day and all? Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
I have to say about that, like, how was your day and all? Or, like, directly I have to start the thing.
No, you have to start with the introduction.
Like, today we are going to learn this and this.
Good morning, children. That way.
Concept of quality, this is quality, more and less.
Yes. Quantity.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn concept of quantity, that is more and less. So I am having two bottles. In one bottle there is full, the water is full, and in one bottle the water is less. So which one is less and which one is more? Can anyone tell me? Am I right?
Here you will show them. See here, I have two bottles. Okay. Now, can you see in this bottle? Yes, there is, okay, a very little water is there, right? Okay. And here, oh yes, this bottle is filled till here. Okay, so there is more. And here, this is less. Okay. Quantity here of water is more, and in this bottle it is less. Okay. Clear? Chalo, next. Concept of height. No, concept of thickness. Who will do? Concept of thickness. Divyashri. Yes. Come on.
Can I start, ma'am? Ma'am, are you able to hear?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, honey bunch. So, how was your Sunday? Did you play? Yes. Okay, so today is Monday, right? We'll do some activity now. Yes? What we are going to do is, we will take picture of whom your favorite cartoon characters. Whom? Any guesses? Chota Bheem, Doraemon. Okay, so how many Chota Bheem fans here? Oh, so many. How many Doraemon fans here? Okay, fine. We'll go with Chota Bheem today, okay? The next activity we'll do with Doraemon. Fine? Okay, so here is Chota Bheem. Yes, can you see Chota Bheem? And who are all there in Chota Bheem? Yes, we have Motu, Patlu, then Kalia. So many people are there, right? Yes. Before that, I want to tell you something. Yes, we will take only two of them. Who all? Chota Bheem and then Kalia. Yes, yeah. So here, is there any difference between Chota Bheem and Kalia? What are the difference which you can see here? Yes, Kalia is quite big, right? Yes, quite big. And Chota Bheem is quite small as compared to Kalia, right? So will we call them big and small? No. What do we call? We say Kalia is fat, whereas Chota Bheem is thin as compared to Kalia, right? Yes. Now see here in the class, I am there and there is Vishnu. Yes. Here, who is fat? Ma'am is fat. Yes. And Vishnu is thin. Right as compared to ma'am. Yes. So what do we did today? We learned about fat and thin, right? Who is fat and who is thin? Yes? Yes. So what you will do today is go home and check who is fat and who is thin, okay? And then come with me with the answers, yeah? Okay, children? So do the activity and come back. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Divashri, here the concept of fat and thin, you can't say big and small. Okay, and I earlier said you should not give an example of the class. Okay, the children will start teasing children. A motu, a fatty.
Okay.
So don't give examples of the classroom. क्लास में से आप नहीं दोगे कि ये फैट है ये थिन है.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Right? Otherwise, correct.
Okay.
Right?
Thank you,
Chalo,
ma'am.
next is the concept of position or a time. Inja, come on. जोर से बोलो.
Am I audible? Hello.
A little more. If you can say loudly, a little.
Hello. Am I
Yes.
audible now?
Yes, yes.
So, concept of position, that is before and after, right?
Before and after, yes.
Yeah. So I'll begin. Good morning, children. So, how are you all today? All looking fresh? Yes. Okay. So today teacher is going to perform an activity. Okay, teacher will tell you about the concept of position, that is before and after. Okay. Know about A, B, C, D. So teacher has written here A and B, C and D. Now you tell me what comes before B. Yes. Teacher, tell me. Yes, A. A comes before B. And what comes after B? Yes, C. C comes
will give you an example of. So, Miss, I just want to take down. So, within one example, should I explain, or I have to give another example also to understand?
If you can give more number of examples, that would be better. At least 2 or 3 examples. Okay? Oh, fine. Otherwise, okay.
So, again, should I continue?
Pardon?
Should I continue?
Yes, yes.
Hello? Yeah. So, again, I have one more example for you all. Now, we know about the numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, can you tell me, students, what comes before 2? Anybody? Yes, teacher? Yeah, 1. 1 comes before 2. And what comes after 2? Yes, 3. Very good. So, what did we learn today? The concept of before and after. Now, teacher will give you some worksheets as your homework. You need to let me know. You need to write it down. What comes before and what comes after. Okay. So, this is how we completed the concept of position.
Okay, fine, good.
Anything that I need to get and correct, like suggestions?
Can you speak little louder?
Any suggestions that I need to correct myself? Any suggestions that I need to correct myself? Can you hear me?
I'm not getting you.
I'm audible to you? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, any suggestions, miss? Any suggestions?
No, fine. Only I would say if you are giving an example related to letters, go with letters only. Don't go with numbers.
Okay.
Give more number of examples related to letters.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for this.
Next is concept of length. Chalo, length.
Can I, miss?
Yes, Afri. Okay. Shanti, I think so. Shanti also raised the hand. Shanti?
Yes, ma'am, but I'm not audible. Hello,
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Now it is better. Afri, let Shanti do it, then you go for it. Okay, the next one. Shanti, do it.
Yes. Good morning, children. How are you all? Are you fine? Everyone is looking very fresh. I'm happy to see you all. Yes. Okay, children, see what teacher is having in her hand. Yes, this is a pencil. How is the pencil? Pencil is long. And see, what is this? Yes, Ritu, what is this? Yes, this is chalk. How is the chalk? Chalk is long or short? Yes, chalk is short. Okay. Now you learn pencil is long as compared to chalk. Okay. Children, have you all gone to the railway station? Have you seen a train? How is the train? The train is long. And have you seen a bus? How is the bus? The bus is short compared to the train. Very good. Okay, children. Now, everyone.
So what we have learned from this, we have learned the concept of long and short.
Short. Yes.
Fine, good. Chalo, Afri, the next one, concept of height.
Yes, miss. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Good afternoon, children. How are you all? How was your weekend? Oh, y'all went to play outside. Oh, it's a pleasant day, right? Okay, so today all fresh. Today, Monday. So, today we are going to learn about tall and short. Okay, I will draw some examples on the board and tell me what is tall and short. Okay, now teacher will draw a tree on the board. See here. This is a tree. Tell me, this tree is tall or this tree is short? Can anyone tell me? Yes? Yes, Pratip. Tell me, this is a tall tree. Yes. So you will write here T. And this is a short tree. So you will write here S. Yes, very good. There are more examples which I can give you. Now, teacher will draw another example for you. Yes. Okay. This is a ladder. This is a ladder. So tell me, Dharani, which is a tall ladder? Yes, this one is a tall ladder. So what you will write here, T or S? Yes, you will write here T because it is a tall ladder, and you will write here S because it is a short ladder. Very good. So you all know the concept of tall and short? Okay. So at home, one activity a teacher is going to do, okay, you will do and come tomorrow. You have to go and find out who is tall and who is short in your home and tell me tomorrow. So children, what we had learned today, we have learned the concept of tall objects and the short objects. Yes, thank you.
Okay, very nice, Afreen. Afreen, here you can, the first example which you took what for the tree, both trees, right? Go for one tree and one plant.
Okay.
Because tree itself becomes a tall one. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So go for a coconut tree is a tall, and a rose plant or show a plant or a grass. They are
Okay.
short. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Don't take both the trees together.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, any suggestions for me if I'm wrong in anything else?
No. Otherwise, correct.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Now, concept of distance, far and near, who will do? Divya?
Yes, hi, ma'am. Yeah, I can try, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Okay. Hi, good morning, children. How are you all today? Hope you all had a great weekend. Okay. So today we are going to learn about near and far. Okay. So children, at night, what do you see in the sky? Okay, you'll see moon, you'll see stars. Very good. So are they, can you touch them, children? No, you cannot. Okay. Can you tell me why you can't touch them? Because they are far away, right? You cannot touch them. They are very far away. And where is your map? Where am I? Okay. Okay, so where is teacher standing right now? Can you touch your teacher? Is she standing near to you or far from you? She is near to you, right? So which concept did we learn about today? Near and far. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Here, Divya, the concept of far and near.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, the stars, moons, Moon is far. Fine. You cannot touch. Yes, the teacher is near. You could have start with like, okay, during night time you see with the stars, moon, right? And as here, you said like the teacher is near to me, right? Near to us. What did you go that way?
Yeah. I said teacher is near to you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Fine. So it is fine. You can add on with an revision, like you can give them a worksheet.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, like concluding part. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Here I'm going to give you a worksheet where you have to circle, or you need to write F, the objects which are near to us, N, and the objects which are away from, that is F. So you show a picture, a scene related to that.
Got it.
Okay, and you can go for a worksheet and you can make them.
But otherwise, the example was correct, right, ma'am?
Yes,
The example.
correct.
Thank you.
Okay, the next one is concept of width, wide and narrow. Who'll do that? Tejal? Tejal will do. Unmute yourself. Tejal, unmute yourself and then do.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, children. Children, all are doing well, all are looking fresh. Enjoyed your weekend? So, today is Monday. Monday will do one activity. So, let's go to the ground. Come on, form a line and let's go to the ground. No pushing each other. Please walk on a straight line. Okay, let's go. Okay. So here there is a wooden plank where we can hold each other's hand and we can walk. So this is wide in the size, where in ahead of it only one people can pass. So it is narrow in size. So if the place is more, then it is wide, and if it is less, then it's narrow. Is it okay, ma'am?
Actually, it is not very clear. Now, for example, if you want a child to know what is wide and what is narrow, you need to first show them how. Like, for example, here I have drawn a track. Can you see a track over here? Yes. And what am I going to do? I'm going to walk here on this track. Okay. So when I'm walking on this track, yes, I and Tejal, we both are going to walk. Yes,
Okay.
can we walk here together? Yes, because there is a white space. But now, as I move ahead, yes, I can see a very narrow path drawn. So we both can't walk together. Only one person can walk. Why? Because this is a narrow path. Yes, earlier it was wide. Now this one is narrow. Okay, so here when you actually make them walk on it, they will understand this is wide and this one is narrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. So next, concept of temperature. Who will do that? Concept of temperature. Yes. Who will do concept of temperature? Anybody? Chitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good afternoon, children. All you butterflies are looking nice and fresh. Today we are going to do a concept of temperature. Temperature? Don't get confused. It's very easy. Temperature means when you all get wet in the rains, you feel cold. And when you go in the hot sun, you all start sweating. You feel very hot. Okay, let me give you another example. Mama gives you a nice piping hot cup of milk in the morning. All of your hands shred and tremble when you hold that hot cup of milk. That is hot. But when you quietly go to the fridge and touch the ice and put it behind your brother's back as a mischief, how does your brother feel? Oh, he screams. Yes, that's cold. Yes, all you naughty children are laughing out there. Yes, all of you have done some kind of mischief like that. Yes, that is cold. Yes. So now, let's all do a little bit of activity through our worksheet. Ma'am, I'll just use an illustrative board because I don't have a proper way of depicting it.
Yes.
I'll just say it. I'll draw a piping cup of hot milk with the steam emanating on the worksheet, and next to that I'll draw ice cubes, and I'll ask them to mark the one that is hot as H and the one that is cold as C. So now children, in this worksheet we're having this piping hot cup of milk from which steam is emanating. What is it? H, that is hot, or C, which is cold? Come on, Veena, tell me. Very good. Veena is understood. She is marked H. Very good, Veena. Now let's go to Veena. Yes, Veena. Now there is a small ice cube kept there on the worksheet. How would you classify it? Hot or cold? How hot, Mama? It's not hot. When you hold the ice in your hand, it melts to feel cold, right? So it will become cold. That is C. So how you have to mark? C. So what you will circle for cold? C. Yes, that's how it is. So all you children understood? So when you go home today, a small activity for all of you. Tell your mama to give you some hot objects and some cold objects. And ask your mama and tell your mama, what will you tell her? Hold a oven, but don't go near it. Tell your mama, ask her, it's hot or cold, she'll say, for a nice baking cup of cake. She will tell you this is warming and hot. It comes out from the oven, so it is hot. Don't go near the oven, it's dangerous. But to know what it is, ask your mother. Then go near the fridge. Your mom will remove nice tasty ice creams for you. Nice whiff of smell comes. So that's cold. Okay. So don't go near the fridge, touch any electrical wires. But yes, ask your mama to tell you and you tell her, is it hot or cold? So all of you will come back with your feedback and tell me what is hot or cold next time. Good. Bye.
Very nice. Very good.
Hope it was okay.
Yes, it was really nice. Good.
Thank you.
Okay. So understood, children, pre-number concept. All would be different in the different chips. Okay, it would be written concept of size, big and small. So you have to perform. Okay, fine. Now let's move ahead. Okay, let's go for number concept. This is the 36th activity. Okay. Now, when you go for number concept, you can go for only one. When you are introducing a number, one number at a time. Okay. Like for example, look here, children. I want you all to look here on the board. Yes, look here. What is this? Okay, Okay, what have I written? Tell me, what is this? What have I written here on the board? Okay, standing line. No, it is standing line. Okay, standing line, but this is a number also. This is number 1. Yes. Here, what is teacher having in her hand? Here, teacher is having how many pencil? 1 pencil. How many pencil? 1. Yes. Okay. Now, show me your hand. Show me your hand. Come on, wave. Wave. Very good. Now, where are your fingers? Show me your fingers. Yes. Now, remove only one. Only one finger. Wave this way. Yes. So, this is 1. Okay, tell me, how many nose do you have? Show me, where is your nose? How many? 1. 1 nose. Yes, very good. So, what teacher taught you today? Number 1. Which number? 1 number. Yes. Now, see there in your book. It is given this way, right? Right? It is given this way. You have to trace on this worksheet. Draw, connect all the dotted lines. Yes. Done? Done the tracing work? Yes. So this is number 1. What we have learned today? Which number? Number 1. Very good. Now, children, last week what we learned? Which number we learned? Number 1. And today we are going to learn number 2. Which number? Number 2. Yes. And can you see there in your book? There is a tracing, dotted lines are given. Yes. So what will you do? You will trace on this also. Before that, I want you, come on, show me your hands. Come on, show me your hands. 2 hands. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. How many eyes do you have? Show me your eyes. 1, 2. Yes. 1, 2. Very good. Oh, you have 2 legs. 1, 2. Very good. So, yes, your teacher is having 1, 2. 2 pens. How many pens? 1, 2. Yes, so now what are we going to do? We are going to do tracing work. Yes, join. Yes, what we have written? Number 2. What we have written? Number 2. Clear, children? Yes. So we have learned number 1, number 2. Okay, related to numbers, come on children, we have already learned numbers. Numbers 1 to 5. Let's revise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now, today teacher is going to give you a worksheet. Yes, and in this worksheet, you have to count the objects. What are you going to do? Count the objects and find out the correct number. Okay? Chalo, let's do it. 1 and 2. So where is the correct number 2? Is this 2? No. Is this 2? No. Is this 2? Yes. So what are we going to do? Circle it. Okay. Got it? So what we did? Counting. That is count and circle. Yes? Clear? Very good. Now you can go for count and match, count and write. See, for number concept, there are many things which you can take. Okay, children? You can even sing a rhyme. Come on, children, let's sing. Yes? We have done numbers 1 to 10. Let's sing a song. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the 6. 6, 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand. Right? So we have revised numbers 1 to 10. Got it? You can play a game of numbers. Yes. With the senior KG children, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and where they have to say 5, they will say stop. 6, 7, 8, 9. When they have to say 10, they will say stop. Again, it starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. 6, 7, 8, 9, stop. Getting? So this is how you can play with them. Okay, let's do it. Here, I start with number 1. I'll call out a name. You have to say the number. Okay, the next number. 1. Come on, Natasha.
2.
Divyashri.
3.
3. Hinja. Chitra.
4.
Hinja said 4.
5. 5.
You have to say stop.
Stop. Stop. Okay.
Okay, once again. Chalo. 1. Natasha.
2.
Divyashri.
3.
Hinja. Chitra.
5.
Out.
Stop.
Stop. Come on, Bhavna, start with 6.
6.
Tejal.
7.
Divya.
8.
Yashika.
9.
Candisa.
Stop.
Very good. Rupali. Rupali. Where is she gone? Yes, Rupali. Start with 1. Andrea. 2. Rashmi.
మన కాన్సంట్రేట్ பண்ண முடியாது சொல்ல முடிய மாட்டேங்கிறது.
Rashmi. Actually, we can't hear you, Rashmi. It's 3. Afreen.
4.
Rinku.
Stop.
Okay, Rinku. After Rinku, who's there? Sanika. Where is Sanika? Not in the place.
Actually, my internet is.
Sanika.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes. Next. Swati.
7.
Present time we are playing, dear.
7, 7, 7.
Seven. Okay. Subia,
8.
8. Okay. I myself 9. Natasha, come on.
Stop.
Divyashri.
1.
Okay. Hinja. 2. Chitra.
No, sorry, ma'am, I was not connected. I didn't hear.
Okay. Fine. Got it. Children, did you all understood? It
Yes,
would
ma'am.
be
Yes,
you
yes.
have to make a circle, make the children sit in a circle, and you can play this game like 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. 6, 7, 8, 9, stop. Again, it
Yes.
continues with 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Cleared? Okay. Fine. Let's see here. Some activities to enhance the concept of number are as follows. Start the explanation by making children aware of numbers as related to the parts of their own body. For example, 1 nose, 2 eyes, etc. The one which I showed you all. Okay. Give the child a bowl of beads. Ask him to, give the child a bowl of beads. Ask him to take out a different number of beads every time. For example, 3 beads, 2 beads, 4 beads, and so on. You can take another object also. Okay. It is not only you can go with the beads, you can take some shapes also, and according to the shapes, you can tell them, come on, remove 5 circles. Okay. But for this, the child should already be aware, means identification of numbers should be there. Okay. You have already taught, then only you can go with that. Okay. Play circle games with children. Let them go around in a circle on the beat of Duffy and sing. We will go to the market and buy a lot of sweets. Let them go on repeating this. As soon as the teacher stops, she will say, we will go to the market and buy 3 sweets. Children have to divide into group of 3 immediately. All those who left out are considered out. Then the game starts again. The teacher can go on changing the number every time. Now, children, I would like to say, here you can take a game of playing fire on the mountain. Okay? Fire on the mountain, run, run, run. 5. So they have to make a group of 5. Clear? Then next. Okay. Now next it is to learn the order of numbers. A game can be played with children. Let the children sit in a semicircle. One child starts counting with number 1. The next child continues with 2. The next one 3, and so on. Every time when the turn comes for the child who has to say 5 or 10, he should say stop instead, and then the game will start again. The next child saying 1. If the child forgets to say stop and says 5 or a 10 by mistake, he is out. Clear? The one which we played. For number identification, each child can be given a number card. Let children run around the beat of clapping. As soon as the teacher stops, she calls out any number. The child having the number has to come to the teacher. Clear? Yes? Number concept. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Pakka? Completely fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, for today we end till here. Now, children, I want you all, everyone, see, everyone has received the message. I'm repeating
ma'am.
again. सबको message मिला है?
Yes,
WhatsApp
Yes.
message?
We got message.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got added in the group, but I have not received.
Okay, I will send you right now that message. You go for it. Just a second, just a second.